This student is resting her elbow against her body. Notice the effect this has on her bow placement. This position will cause problems with tone production. The elbow resting against the body is a symptom of poor shoulder support or fatigue or both. Instruct young violinists and violists to return to rest position when they are done playing to reduce fatigue. Check for proper shoulder support by asking the student to reach across the body and touch the right shoulder while holding the instrument in playing position. Some students will raise their left shoulder. Check for proper shoulder support. If the shoulder support is adequate, ask them to pretend their shoulder is a balloon that's filling up with air. Then ask them to gradually let the air out of the balloon while the shoulder relaxes. Another common problem is the instrument being held directly in front of the body. Remind students to keep nose, scroll, elbow, toe all in a row so they move the instrument into the correct place in relation to their body. Watch for these common problems in the beginning stages of instruction. Repeat the entire process of bringing the instrument into playing position frequently. Build rest position into the routine so students do not fatigue. Never leave beginning students in playing position when they're not playing. The collapsed wrist pulls the fingers out of position, and it puts tremendous strain on the tendons. This is a recipe for carpal tunnel syndrome or tendinitis. In the correct hand position, the wrist is straight and the fingers are nicely curved. Often the collapsed wrist is caused by a lack of proper shoulder support. If the left hand becomes responsible for supporting the entire weight of the instrument, the student may collapse their wrist. This student's thumb is underneath the neck, squeezing and creating tension. The fingers are pulled out of position. The wormhole is gone. There are only 2 points of contact when the thumb is in this position. Ask the student to move the instrument to rest position. Shake hands with the neck of the instrument, making sure that the X is touching the side of the neck. Make sure the line at the base of the index finger is visible. While keeping the hand in first position, the student can bring the instrument over the head and into playing position. Fingers not over the fingerboard indicate that the forearm is not rotated properly. A game you can play with students is to place a smiley face sticker on their hand at the base of the pinky and tell them they need to watch the smiley face.